Yeah, childlike creativity and humility, Lord, I need it. I'm like a fetus, cause I depend on you. This life, it get deeper than a swimming pool. It's a long walk like a centipede. Gotta kill my pride if I wanna see. Won't let it blind my amenities. I'm out of here to infinity and beyond, yeah. Know that when I'm weak, I'm strong, yeah. Get this power from the sun, hey. Lifestyle, not a Sunday. Dad used to tell me, son, wait, don't be in a rush to go up too fast. Cause when you grow up, you just wanna slow down just to make all the moments last.
The older I get, the wiser I grow. How much I like, how little I know. I wanna be more childlike and watch out to be a know-it-all. Cause you will never know it all. I just wanna be more childlike. Childlike.
He designed the earth, and he designed the universe. He created everything. He's the one who created clouds.
Birds are square one, but two innocent eyes. Battered and tasted and keep a good time. I know she is somewhere in there. I know. Say yes to everything that you tell me. I'll be there without a doubt in mind. I spread my wings, but you a dream I can fly. Oh, I wanna be childlike. Have more faith, have a clear mind. Show some grace, have a peace like no other. It comes from you, Jesus, make my heart brand new.
The older I get, the wiser I grow. How much I learn, how little I know. be more childlike. And why try to be a know-it-all? Cause you will never know it all. I just wanna be more childlike.
Yeah, childlike creativity and humility, Lord, I need it. I'm like a fetus, cause I depend on you. This life will get deeper than swimming pool. It's a long walk like a centipede. Gotta kill my pride if I wanna see. Won't let it blind my amenities. I'm out of here to infinity and beyond. Yeah, know that when I'm weak, I'm strong. Yeah, get this power from the sun. Ayy, lifestyle, not a Sunday. Dad used to tell me, son, wait, don't be in a rush to grow up too fast. Cause when you grow up, you just wanna slow down just to make all the moments last.
The older I get, the wiser I grow. How much I love, I wanna be more childlike. And why try to be a know-it-all? Cause you will never know it all. I just wanna be more childlike.
Ups and the downs, can't get no wealth of this lot. Another problem, compulsions in other wealth, and I'm high on the come down horizon when the sun down. Referencing the scientists, the fetus take the blood out. The vampires live in the world without the ghost. We're closer to the devil since the sleep is all we know. Waking up from the dream, cause the nightmares always boast. In the process of some time, all edits in this post spin. Processes of time, all edits in this post spin. Tired of shit, I'm sick of my shit's tired, I'm split. Bonafide lie, I'm prone when I'm high wired. I still hide in the sire, the bad bond, and it's probably another form of existence. I'm sitting next to myself, dreaming about the escape since I first since adolescence. Learn my lessons through a set list of intentions and distressing. Guessing if I keep going, who may never know. Maybe one day I'll touch the grass and everything will grow. 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 Maybe one day I'll touch the grass and everything will grow. 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 Tired of shit, I'm sick of my shit's tired. Bonafide lie, I'm prone when I'm high wired. I still hide in the sire, the bad bond, and it's probably another form of existence. I'm sitting next to myself, coaching them through the ups and the downs. Can't get no wealth of this lie. Another problem, compulsions in other wealth, and I'm high on the come down horizon when the sun down. Referencing I'm dying since the fetus take the blood out. The vampires live in the world without the ghost. Even closer to the devil since the sleep is all we know. Waking up from the dream, cause the nightmares always both. In the process of some time, all edits in this post spin. Dreaming about the escape since I first in adolescence. Learn my lessons through a set list of intentions and distressing. Guessing if I keep going, who may never know. Maybe one day I'll touch the grass and everything will grow. 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 Maybe one day I'll touch the grass and everything will grow.
was all good just a week ago. Don't know what changed, I don't know where it came from. Shit was all good just a week ago. Yeah. Shit was all good just a week ago. Don't know what happened, we were just rapping. Shit was all good just a week ago. Damn. Shit can change in the blink of an eye. Don't get your feelings hurting, caught by surprise. You're in the back of my mind. I hope you hear this song and decide to realize. We were on the phone just a week ago, 90% laughter. Started feeling sleepy, so you told me to call you after. I got a good rest, morning stretch, hit the poppy store. Ordered me a back, turkey bacon, we don't rock with pork. Right, I obeyed and laid down, but the next 7 days I played the same sound. Sent you a text, you responded with I need space in my mind. I'm like, I ain't understand but respect it. Week after week I grew more and more perspective. I ain't tripping, pippin' with my heart like this some bullshit, but pointing at the soul 1 in seconds like it was so good. Back when we were actively a tandem, back when we were all in, our fallout was random. I run into those memories before it got abandoned and try to understand it, but how? Shit was all good just a week ago. Don't know what changed, I don't know where it came from. Shit was all good just a week ago. Yeah. Shit was all good just a week ago. Don't know what happened, we were just rapping. Shit was all good just a week ago. Damn. Shit can change in the blink of an eye. Don't get your feelings hurt, getting caught by surprise. You'll remain in the back of my mind. I hope you hear this song and decide to reply.
Now that you're gone, I didn't call. I needed some space. love is life.